Hello and welcome to AhamedTech. Today I will be showing you how to restore your iPod Touch if there's something wrong with it or anything. First, make sure if there's something wrong with it, you have a good cable. The cable is the Apple cable that comes with the iPod Touch. Make sure you have the cable that comes with the iPod Touch for it to sync properly, because some cables are designed exactly for that specific iPod. And so I'm gonna plug in my iPod here. And the computer recognized it. And now I'm going to wait till iTunes pops up, or I'm going to open it myself. So, iTunes. So we'll wait, or click it again. Oh, and here it is. Now you see, my iPod didn't show up on iTunes, and in 1 second it will. It's gonna sync the iPod. Now we have the iPod right here. Ipod Touch 4G. Now, since we have the iPod here, this is how you restore it. Once you sync your iPod, it's gonna say restore and everything else here. Now, what it says here, press encrypt iPod backup, and you can set a password if you want to, or you could just press you could just type in none, but when they ask the password, you have to type in none, because there is no password. And that's pretty much it. And then press configure universal access, and after that press restore, and that's it. Okay, and some people ask me, what should I do if my iPod Touch doesn't sync? Well, all you have to do is go here. In the back of your iPod Touch, it will have the headphones. First, what you want to do is, if you have any headphones, don't plug them in. And second, what you want to do is download this program here. Go to your normal Safari, and I'm gonna wait till it loads. Okay. Now you're gonna go to Google and search Syncer. Okay, so Syncer, I'm gonna search it, and it says download Syncer 1.2 for Palm OS free. Now, once you download Syncer, this is what you do. Now, I'm going to pretend this text document was Syncer. And this is what you do. I'm going to rename it Syncer. Well, I don't have to, but this is what you do. One second. Properties and general. Well, I have Skype here, so what you're actually gonna do is just go to iTunes, put Syncer in it, well, next to it, and it's gonna say open Syncer with iTunes, and after that, you're pretty much done. And so that's it for today's AhamedTech. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and see you next time.